In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary. So let's open, for example, messages, like any area where you can open a keypad. And here you've got it. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English, so you can smoothly write with those letters. If you'd like to change it, you need to select Settings, go to System, and pick Languages and Input. Now go to Virtual Keyboard, pick Gboard, and go to Languages. Click Add Keyboard, and here you can select any language that you want to apply. As you can see, this is a super long list, so everyone will find something suitable, no matter where you're from or in which language you would like to write on this device. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done Then, and smoothly remove unnecessary language by tapping on pen icon, mark unwanted language, and tap on Bin Then. And as you can see, from now on, you will be able to use Hebrew letters. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.